Namaskar everyone. I hope that you are safe at home, uh, healthy. I am home. My team is at home. Uh, this is the time which we'll have to take it seriously, and for our safety and other safety, we have to be home. But with all this lockdown, I know it's really tough, and just to keep the spirit up, I thought, why not, I'll shoot it on my own, and just give you something to be excited about. Also, it's a motivation for me, right? I'm going to go ahead and try. I know the video quality is not going to be that good, and the presentation also, it's not going to be that professional, but something is better than nothing, right? So let's try it out, and let me know in the comment box below that if you like this, then I'll shoot it very regularly, and let's survive through this lockdown together, and let's fight through it. So today we are going to learn viniyogas. So viniyog means the usage. So I'm going to start with Pataka Hasta viniyog. So I'm going to tell you that how these hastas could be used. Okay. So we are going to refer Abhinay Darpanam for the same. Uh, it's so interesting to know that we use the hastas in our day-to-day life, but in a very casual way. So if there is like some person who's far away, okay, and if you really want to ask him to come here, you will do this, right? So if you just do it a little dramatic, it's going to be, yeah. So you are using basically Pataka Hasta. Or if you want to tell someone to stop, okay, and that person can't hear you, so you're going to say like that, or you know. So see, this is a body language which you which have it inside you. What Bharata Muni has done is just stylized it in a way that it will look like an act. Yeah. So it's really interesting, right? So I'm going to give you some examples while learning this. Yeah. So stay with me, and let's begin. Okay. So the first is Pataka Hasta Viniyog. So I'm going to use Pataka. So first is Natyarambhe. Natyarambhe is the beginning of a drama. Natya means drama, and Arambha means beginning. Okay, so Natyarambhe, and it should look like a curtain opening movement. Yeah, so that's why Natyarambhe. You know, some people do it in a different way, but I find it very synthetic. So I believe that it has to be really mixture of stylized version of it and realistic. So I really don't believe in doing abhinaya in a very cut to cut manner. Okay, so I want to be a little bit realistic and little bit relatable. Yeah. So vari vahe, second is vari vahe. How is going to be a vari vahe? Is vari vahe means what? Clouds. Okay, so it's going to be, you have to draw a circle or maybe a different shape however you want. Okay, some people do it this way also because the cloud floats, right? So vari vahe. Vane. Vane is a jungle. Okay, so you show trees or entangled branches which you see when you go through a jungle. Yeah. Vastu nishedhane. Vastu means thing, and nishedhane means saying no, or you don't want it. So how you're going to say it? Vastu nishedhane. See, this is a natural movement which you do, right, through the body. That no, no thanks. So it's like that. Vastu nishedhane. Hmm? Kuchasthale. Now this, my guru has taught it with two ways. Okay, so Kuchasthale means basically chest. So we show man's chest and we show women's breast. Yeah. Also, I want to just mention here that viniyogas, it's not just you use hands mainly. That is the meaning of it. But if you add on the whole body language to it, it gives you a different feeling and it reaches out faster. Okay, so that's why I'm using the whole body. Some people just do it with the hands. That's okay too. Yeah. The next is nishayamcha. So nishayamcha is basically a night. Okay. Nishayamcha. Nadya. River. So take that now. This movement, for some people, this movement is very difficult. I mean, it comes naturally to me, but yes, some of my students just struggle with it. So I just want to tell you that how it works. Okay. So you have to just do this movement. Take your palms down and put it up while folding your fingers. Next is Amara Mandale. Amara Mandale means heaven. Okay. So you show the sky first. Amara Mandale. Yeah. Turange. Turange means horse. Okay. So we show horse like this. So you're riding it. To give a little bit more definition to it, what we do is we sit in ayata. Okay, and we add on a diditai or ginatum to it. So diditai. Yeah. Turange. So see, it automatically gives you a feel of a horse. Huh? Turange. Khandani. Next is Khandani. Khandani is destroying something. So if you really want to, make two parts of anything, which is Khandani. Khandan is the breaking. Yeah. So Khandan. Yeah. Pataka Hasta. Keep this in mind that this is Pataka Hasta video. So you have to keep Pataka properly. Okay. Don't keep it loose. Khandan. Vayu. Vayu is a air. Yeah. So how it feels. Vayu. Shayane. Sleeping. Okay. Sleeping position. Or generally sleeping mode. Huh? So Shayane is. So you can add on a bit of a body language to it and Shayane. Okay. Gamanodhyame. Gamanodhyame is somebody is moving and you're watching. Okay. So Gamanodhyame. So somebody is going, and he's gone. So it's basically with your eyes also you have to do it. So when you're doing these viniyogas, don't just do blank faced. You have to put in more emotion to it. Yeah. So expression does matter. So next is Pratapecha. Pratapa is something which is great, bravery. Okay, Pratapecha. So you will do it this way. Pratapecha. Prasadecha. Prasadecha means offering prasad. Prasadecha. So somebody is taking it on and you are offering it. Prasadecha. Chandrikayam. Chandrikayam is a moonlight. So you show a full moon and it's the light. Chandrikayam. Ghanatape. So Ghanatape is basically, I'm going to show you exactly. See how my face becomes, right? So when you want to block a strong sunlight, you're going to do this, yeah? So Ghanatape. You're blocking the sunlight, strong sunlight. Kavata Patani. Kavata Patani is opening the door. Okay, so showing the action of closing, and you open the door. Okay, who is that? Oh, you. Like that. Okay, Kavatapatan. Saptavibhaktyarthe. Saptavibhaktyarthe is seventh part actually. So you cut 7 parts, and the 7th part is the Saptavibhaktya. Sapta means 7. Vibhaktyarthe means the division. Okay, so Saptavibhaktyarthe. So it could be 7 parts or 7th part. Okay, Saptavibhaktyarthe. Tarangake. Tarangake means ripples. So if you take a stone and put it in the water, just drop it. You see round like that. Yeah, creates those small waves. So it causes ripples. Okay. Tarangake. Vithi pravesha bhavepi. Vithi means a road. Okay. Vithi pravesha bhave. Pravesh means going. Vithi pravesha bhavepi. Entering. Vithi pravesha means entering. Vithi pravesha bhavepi. Samatvecha. Samatvecha is equal. To show equal. Samatvecha. Angaragake. Applying something on your body. So it could be lotion, it could be soap, anything. Angaragake. Atmarthe. Atmarthe means myself. Myself. Atma means me. Arthe means meaning. So myself. Atmarthe. Shapathe chapi. Promise. Giving somebody a promise. Shapathe chapi. Tushnim bhavani darshane. So this is kind of a neutral expression or neutral, being in a neutral position, that you don't want to react on something. So you're receiving and understanding something, but you don't want to react on that. Okay, Tushnim bhavani darshane. Talapatrecha. Talapatrecha is, in ancient eras, people used to write on the leaf. So Talapatra is that. Talapatra. Writing on the leaf. Talapatrecha. Khetecha. Khetecha means a shield. Okay, so how you will show the shield? Khetecha. Dravyadi sparshane tatha. Dravya means things. Sparsha means touch. Dravyadi sparshane tatha. Or dravyadi sparshane tatha. Ashirvada kriyayam. Now in India, basically when you ask blessings, you touch the feet, the person's feet, right? So the instinctively person does is this, yeah? So either he will touch your back or head, okay? So that is the way of giving blessing, okay? So you do it this way. So more stylized way is this. Ashirvada kriyayam. Nrupa sreshthasya bhavani. Nrupa means king. Sreshthasya means great, or something which is really royal. Nrupa sreshthasya bhavani. Or you can show it this way and simply sit. Nrupa sreshthasya bhavani. Yatra tatreti vachane. Yatra means here and tatra means there, or here and there, everywhere. Could be like that. So yatra tatreti vachane. Sindhaucha. Sindhaucha means ocean. Okay, so you will show ocean. It's vast, right? So with your eyes and expression, you can show that vastness. Okay. Sindhaucha. Sukrutikrame. Sukrutikrame is basically serial. So how you are going to show the serial? Serially up or serially down, however. Serially up. Sukrutikrame. So next is Sambodhane. So Sambodhane is addressing someone. Okay? So respectfully saying you. Sambodhane. Purogepi. Purogepi is going ahead. Okay? Or telling someone to go ahead. Purogepi or Purogepi. Khadga rupasya dharan. Khadga means sword. Khadga rupasya dharan. Mase means month. Samvatsare means year. So Now this is Mase's month. Now we are going to do this like entangle movement. So 12 years, sorry, 12 months, it's going to be 1 year. Okay? Samvatsar. Varsha Din. Varsha means rain. Rain. It's raining. Dine means a day. Sammarjane tatha. What it could be? Sweeping. Sammarjane tatha. Evam artheshu yujjante Pataka Hasta bhavana. So this is my small effort of giving you something which is in my hand in this situation. So if you really like this, just let me know, and if you want me to do this more, since I'm home, I can shoot, and if this is okay with you, please go ahead and comment in the box below, so I will know. Like, share and subscribe, and be healthy, be safe, stay at home, and keep dancing.